All right.
Here already. You're doing good.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
First,
Impressed yet?
first time up since January the 5th.
Are you doing better than I was? Oh, come on.
She's really getting rocked around.
Yeah, I'm watching. Has that got that guidance system in there?
No, it's just an old four channel receiver. Wow, see it rocking?
Yeah.
It's windy.
It probably comes with the one that's got the safe on it and everything.
Maybe, yeah. This is an old Parkzone model. It was before that time.
It's the same mold, same airplane.
You can see the sun block thing there rocking it along too.
Dude, I didn't sleep well last night. Seems like when I'm gonna come flying.
Yeah.
I wake up in the middle of the night and can't go back to sleep.
Really?
I wasn't even on flying last night. You know what I mean?
Huh. That's strange.
The batteries were charged from the last time that we said we were going. And didn't. Whoa! Wow, that was a good second.
Yeah, I think maybe I better quit tempting fate and get this thing down. It's getting pushed around pretty hard up there. Ooh, man, it can't keep the wings level.
There you go. You're perfect. Really. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right. I'll chase you.
Here, give me the radio.
Thank you, sir.
I'll take it and take the plane.